guess what?
What's up, dude?
I just bought it.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. A little project car, a little beater car.
Dude.
All right, so we are here at the park, and I have an announcement to make to you guys. I know I told you guys a couple weeks ago that I was looking for a beater project car, and guess what? I found that it is here. It is right behind me, and I did buy it, I don't know, about a week or two ago, and I just got it registered, got insurance for it, and without further ado, let me just show you guys what I got. All right, and here we go. This is my old but new 1994 Mazda Miata. So I was looking for a project car, and thanks for all of your guys' recommendations. And I saw this come up for super cheap, and I had to go ahead and jump on it. Of course, I looked at it, test drove it. Sorry I didn't bring you guys with me, but yeah, everything runs just fine. This car runs super duper solid, although there are some imperfections on the paint, you know, which I don't really care about, to be honest with you. It does run super solid. So I will say one of the main reasons for the new project car slash beater car is that I do have a 17-year-old son who's my second oldest son. He is of driving age and he will be needing a car. I feel a Miata is a good car to learn some you know, some driving skills, and you know, we could take it to autocross and track and he can learn in a Miata. So yeah, another good reason why to get a Miata is if you track it or autocross it, parts are really cheap. So this car is mainly stock. You have wheels on there, which I don't really care much for. Reason is the offset is just too aggressive for it. They do have Federal 595 tires on there, which are okay, I would say. But, oh, also it does have teen coilovers, teen basic coilovers, which, as you could see, I didn't slam it to the ground. The previous owner didn't either. And slotted brakes and aftermarket radio. Other than that, it's stock. The engine is bone stock, runs super strong. Other than that, I can't complain for the price I got for the car. For any of you guys that are expecting something super expensive, like, you know, R33 or an R34, sorry, I'll be totally honest with you, I just can't afford those kind of cars right now, and I'm not afraid to admit it, but maybe one day. But here it is, 94 Miata, come to the channel. I do have the top down. Here's a look at the interior. The interior is super clean, some imperfections. There's a rip on the seat, but no big deal. You know, we can get aftermarket seats for this. The top is a cloth top. I really wish I had the hard top, which those right now in the used market go for about $1,000 for a good condition one. So yeah, for me to take this autocross, one thing I do have to get is a roll bar. And that's about 500 bucks. Other than that, this car is ready to go autocross. Let me show you guys under the hood, and there's really not much to see under the hood. And there you go, you have a bone stock 1.8 liter Miata engine. And as you can see, it is relatively clean for a 1994 car. This is the original engine. 170,000 miles on this car. You haven't even opened it yet.
Huh?
You haven't even opened the stuff yet. It should be in there. Oh, you have to put all that stuff together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Got what I needed. Easy hooked it up because I lost mine. There you go. I'll put my seat back in. And yeah. Cool. Take out the Miata for a rip. Let me just take my stuff out because there's no room in here. Ripping up the Miata for the first time.
Yeah.
Man, it feels so small, huh?
I've never driven a convertible before.
Really? Are you serious?
Yeah. It feels tiny. Like a little go-kart.
It's light, man, so it feels like quick, you know?
Yeah.
We can do donuts in this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure just swinging around is super easy.
Oh, it'll do donuts, all right. It sure will.
Do you know this firsthand? No?
Oh, yeah.
Already ripping?
Already tried. Floor it! It won't go nowhere. It's pegged.
Feels so low.
It's not actually low, man.
I know, it's just so small.
It's small, it feels low.
Yeah.
Rip it, man, rip it. He hit 30. All right, guys, so here we are. We're just getting the Miata all cleaned up. So we're just getting all that grease and all that stuff from the underbody, stuff that you would typically see in a 90s car. So there's just a little bit of caked up grease on the transmission and the oil pan. But really, that's about it. We're gonna get the rest of the underbody cleaned up. And then, more importantly, we're gonna get the interior cleaned up. And there you go, that is a quick look at the 94 Miata. If there are any Miata experts out there that has any recommendations on where to get parts, what to do, what to look out for the Miata, please drop it in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. But anyways, that is it. The new Miata is here to the channel. I know it is a WRX channel, but you know what, we can have other cars here too. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.